Marquis, ein Mann wie Sie sollt besser das verstehen.
The waltz was a really innovative dance. Up till the waltz, most ballroom dances, the lady was to the right of the gentleman and they did not touch shoulders, waists. Simply, they held hand to hand. These were danses à deux, the minuet, the gavotte, all those early dances. The waltz was the first time the man held the woman round the waist. And it really was quite a daring dance. It seems now, when we think about it, what could be daring about the waltz? But at the time, it was very daring to actually hold a lady against your body and press up against her as you waltzed around. It's very hard to imagine how innovative it was, because we take it for granted nowadays. Then the Viennese waltz was particularly important because of the fact that it turns so much. Okay? It turns so much, and of course what was so marvellous was that the ladies' frocks swirled as the turning went. It was just a wonderfully intoxicating dance. The combination of champagne, which again was a very favourite drink at the time, the combination of champagne, bubbles, and turning, spinning, made everybody very high. They got high on the waltz and champagne. And because operetta reflects society, I mean, a lot of people have a lot of different things to say about operetta, that it's frothy and superficial. It isn't so superficial. Of course, it's fun. But it did reflect society and all the kind of involvements which go on, you know, the undercurrents of adultery and all the sort of things that operetta was about, either in The Merry Widow or in this particular opera, more in this particular operetta, were true to what was happening in its day. And the waltz was a very popular dance in its day, so that it really captured the spirit of the age, this spinning and turning and intoxication. It was very important, and it's very important in this production, because obviously the score, the music reflects in this production, reflects the social dances of the time.
Füßchen so zierlich und klein, die Sprache